Next class, what will we do? So just like this class will have a template for, you will give a slightly better introduction about yourself. You can use Mad pattern, or you can come up with another, phrase as well. I'll cover it as well. And you will introduce your family. Okay. You can make it up as well if you are, you don't have to give exact same detail because, some people are, concerned about privacy. You can make it up. It's fictional names are fine, right? So, but next class, all of you, based on your level, push yourself to talk about yourself. And I'm going to share very small videos, just like this week. I'll have two small videos where you can get a quick glimpse. It should not take you more than 2, 3 minutes, okay? But you will get comfortable that when you come in the class, at least you will have slightly better understanding of how you can introduce yourself and your family. Okay. So any questions on this? I know some people, have a hard stop. So any questions on next week's um, topic? Great job, everyone. My slight sort of, if I can give you one more homework, it's everyone did phenomenal. But my only request is I want you guys to go back and watch your section. Okay. If you have to do it again, what improvements will you make in it? Okay. I want you to remember that because in the upcoming classes, we will come back and come up with a longer like phrases and paragraphs. So each of you go back and the video will be posted, right? So my homework exercise for each of you is prepare for slightly for the next class. I'm going to post the videos for that, but also watch your own, the way you're giving your routine and see how you can make it more beautiful.